Welcome guys to another unboxing. It's been a while since I've done these. Today we'll be unboxing something pretty, well, it's just a Galaxy Z, it's a Z Fold3 5G. I don't get the 5G name anymore. Samsung, you know, you've done with 4G phones, at least for the Fold lineup, they're all 5G. Don't get it. Anyways, we have here if that focuses, well, focus, you know, a 256 12 version in Phantom Green. Let me just check there's no IMEI back. No, this is the back. It looks so boring. All it tells you now is that your adapter is sold separately and it's got magnets. Oh, and it's got 5G. So I guess we can commence the official opening. Now I'm using a SIM card ejector tool because I didn't bother to get the scissors. Now we break this seal. Now this seal also means I cannot return this, which is okay. This is not for me either. I should probably mention that. This is for my dad. He's been, I think, an iPhone user since 3G. Yeah, he's been an iPhone user since the 3G, and I guess this is his first, you know, first step back into the Android world. He's used the Galaxy S2 before. Now if we open it, as you can see, nothing. Oh, the Z. This is pristine. That green is more like a black. Can anyone like tell? Like it does not look green. Leave that there. Samsung Care Plus. Who cares? Haha, get it. And now if we, how do I open it from? I don't want to break anything. So open it from the top because that seems more logical. And here we get a quick start guide and a USB-C cable. That's about it. I'll just leave that there. Warranty activates automatically, so we don't care about that too much. He's gonna need that, so let's just pack up all of this and put it in the box. Now here's the phone that's unsealed, I guess. Also nice graphics, Samsung. I appreciate it. That is the Z Fold3. Now if I close it, this is gonna have fingerprints already. It does. I need to ask if I can peel this. I don't think I can because he needs to protect this. There's peels everywhere on this phone, Jesus. Here's the peels that you have to do. This still got a screen protector pre-applied. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Samsung, I hate you right now. I mean, I do love the company that I use a phone from them, so can't really say I hate them too much. If I hated them, I wouldn't be using my current phone right now. Oh my gosh, that is plastic. I can tell when it's plastic. Okay. The amount of plastic on this phone, Jesus Christ. I think all the turtles would be dying. I think I might actually go back to the iPhone for camera because this is recorded on the Samsung right now. Does not look on my Samsung, the Note 10 Plus. Does not look too good in right now. But yeah, that is not a green. That is not green. This is like black. This is green though, right? This is green. It says green. Wait, green. This is not like. What do I have at screen? Like this is not green. This is a very dark green. This looks more like black. Like come on, you can't. No one can argue with me on that. It looks like the black color. I refuse to believe this is green. This is like I refuse to believe this is green. Anyways, let's go through the phone. We've got power up, power down, power button, SIM card, no micro SD, which is a bit annoying. Speaker grill, USB Type C. Oh, he's gonna get used to that. Change his cable on his phone. 3 camera. I think that's ultra wide, wide, and telephoto. Flash. Got a selfie camera up front, and inside an under screen selfie camera. Yeah. And this is just the hinge. So let's just power it up. Let's just power it. You know, you could turn on maybe. Yep, there we are. Oh, if I close this, the Galaxy awaits. That's actually cool. You can also see that effect as well. Samsung Galaxy. Let's go get this. Do this a bit more justice by turning down the bright. Oh my gosh, why are you? There you are. That is the Galaxy Z Fold3. Okay, that's the video. I don't know how to end this anymore. I guess I could talk about some more of its specs. It's got a Snapdragon 888, I think. Or was it Gen 1? No, the Gen 1s are this year. Yeah, no, this is a Snapdragon, whatever the latest version was before the 8 Gen 1. Oh my gosh, I just realized I can't actually show that, but if you look very closely, IMEI. Anyways, that's the unboxing of this phone. I need to get this sent to my dad's stat. He is going to be leaving soon to do other things. Yeah, that's the video. Bye.